Hello there. So how to fix those sounds not working for some Microsoft Edge websites. And let's just say this is a sample website we're going to use for the day, and let's say that there is no sound coming from it. So there will be multiple reasons for this. First is right click on the tab itself. In here, you're going to see a lot of things. First is going to be that more tools right there, and then there should be a mute tab right there. Make sure it says mute here, because if I click on mute right there, and then I right click again, it says unmute, meaning my tab will be muted. Another thing, make sure your volume is going to be set to the speaker of your output. Like so, sometimes it's set to your camera, your webcam, your phone, or even your monitor, and even going to be your microphone. Make sure it's going to be the speakers right there, and there should be volume output. Next thing right here, if I go in, settings, like so, just wait for it to pop up. Now, once you're going to be in here, make sure you're going to go to System. Now, once you're in System, go for Sounds. Make sure the master volume is up. Now, when the problem is still persisting, I suggest having troubleshooting right there. Look for additional troubleshooters. Looking for sound playing audio. Run the troubleshooter, and that should fix your problem.